I have had a wonderful time having a good nap in my Supreme Territory caravan. We're on the road with My Market Kitchen, and how come you get the beautiful big double bed here and I get the bunk?
Oh, well, I had to leave you up the back.
Oh, well,
I've been driving.
Well, now, cook.
All right, I'll cook something. So we're going to make some beautiful chicken drumettes. We'll stick with the Asian theme, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So
You go.
Yep, all right, I'll get out there.
But guess what? Next time, I'm in the double bed, he's in the bunk in the Supreme Territory. Okay, you've taken the challenge. I said that you had the big double bed for our trip around, but I want some wonderful cuisine. Chicken.
Yes, so let's start by marinating this actually. So it does probably need about an hour or two marination. We'll make the marinade, get it started, and then we can go have maybe a drink up at Balgani.
That would be a good idea to get it prepared early in the morning, say, well, or late afternoon if you're having it for dinner. ABC, sweet soy sauce.
Sweet soy, so yep.
Oh, I know what you're using because you like it.
It's got a really, really sweet, beautiful flavour. It just adds so much to a dish.
Made from quality soybeans, ABC, sweet soy sauce.
So this one here as well, we've got the original chilli sauce. So I'm just putting a little bit on this because I know you're not the biggest chilli head. You know, when I was travelling in Indonesia, you'd see them on a grill, so they might be grilling some, chicken or something. They'll be getting this sauce and just brushing across the top, because once you put it back on the grill, you get this amazing sort of like real, it just cooks absolutely perfectly. So it gets a lovely colour, goes really golden and intense. So that's why you would use this. And
we are proving that in My Market Kitchen, as we travel around Australia, we're in our Supreme Territory caravan. Charlie is proving you can cook just as well on the road as you can in a big commercial kitchen if you've got the right ingredients, you've got the market fresh produce. How do you get rid of garlic smell when you've had garlic the night before and you've got a big presentation the next day?
Oh, I'm not too sure with that one.
So it's not drink milk or things like that?
No, I don't think so.
Old wives' tale.
So I've just mixed that nicely. So I'm gonna let you I'm gonna go wash my hands, and you're gonna put that back in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. Then we're gonna grill that, and we're gonna make a lovely salad with some cucumber and some spring onion. So I'm gonna get these on the grill now. So they've been marinated for about 1 to 2 hours, literally just straight on. I'll probably just turn that down a little bit and just let them just grill nicely. This sweet soy just adds, such an incredible flavour to this dish. So I think you're gonna really enjoy this one.
Do you eat a lot, Charlie, when you're cooking? Do you sort of have a nibble at the Atlas restaurant and think, okay, or do you wait till the end of the evening for dinner?
You're always tasting, like any good chef will tell you, you have to be tasting your food because just throughout the service, obviously, things are changing and developing, and you just want to make sure that everything you're serving is, best quality, of course.
And do you ever go front of house and say hello to the patrons?
Absolutely, I love talking to the guests, but I think my strong point's in the kitchen.
When you see him, just say, Charlie, well done. We watch you on My Market Kitchen, and if you'd like the recipes, mymarketkitchen.tv.
Chicken's almost ready. I'm going to let you tell me when the chicken's ready. Is that all right? Or?
How will I know? How will I know? Will I know by this little thing on the outside?
No, I'll do it. Don't worry.
All beautiful produce from the markets, and I know, Charlie, as you're travelling around, not only at Atlas do you use the best of the best, but you source it, whether it's the chicken, the poultry, the fruit, the veggies, the sauces, and you get it from out and about?
Absolutely.
And do you buy a lot of produce from the local areas when you're travelling?
Oh, for sure. As we've been travelling around Australia, like everywhere we go, we've either seen a farmer's market, a local farm, a stall to buy something from. You naturally want to eat the freshest, the most local, best produce is always going to be what's in season. So yeah, no, it's been absolutely.
Do you ever have a chance to fish for yourself and get some barramundi or something?
I'm probably the world's worst fisherman, I think.
I owned a boat for a little while and I used it twice because I get seasick, so I can't go out in the bay at all. And my friend's a Commodore with the Royal Australian Navy, and he wants me to go and do exercises with them, but no, not going to. That's fraught with danger. That. What's a tip? What's a tip for the youngsters who are enjoying learning the art of cooking, but when you're doing that, just tell me something very simple. You said have a very sharp knife.
Yeah, very sharp knife is just key to everything with cooking. But you know, it's that claw grip. It's very simple to do, but it's very safe. And you know, you just want to be so careful when you're using your knife, because if you have a blunt knife and you're trying to hack through something, you know, it's so easy to slip, and that's where accidents happen. So anyone learning to cook, you know, it's the most amazing skill, something that is universally loved. And I think that, you know, it's very impressive for a young person to learn to do. I think this is a great dish, something that you can make for the family. It's super easy in the barbecue. You could air fryer it as well, put it in the oven, whatever you prefer, but just, you know, this is the sort of dishes that are just, you know, they're really inexpensive to make as well, which I think is great, and people would just absolutely love to try this. And try this one.
I'm allowed to?
Yes, please.
Taste Temptations, Asian inspirations. Here we go. Tender, beautiful. Fresh from the market.
So you taste that sweet soy on there as well. So see how it's quite sticky and caramel. So that's from that sort of that coconut sugar.
Yep.
And then of course you've got the salad as well with that, you know, cucumber and freshness to balance it all across. So I think we're going to go and enjoy this. I'm going to snatch one of these in a second.
And I'll tell you what, Charlie, I can taste our beautiful sweet soy sauce there, and asianinspirations.com.au. I looked it up. I thought I'd better do some homework. Amazing range of products, but this has been made especially nice because of that.